What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an analytic breakdown of today's stream, how much I lost. Today I lost around $70 on the stream, and I'll be doing a breakdown on what I did and how I can help you guys prevent it from happening to you. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so here we are. Right now, markets were pretty decent today. The morning for Rocket Scooter, the things were down, so I couldn't see res and DD res. So you're basically going in blindly. I tried to improvise, tried doing 15-minute orb, yesterday highs, yesterday lows, but I really didn't take any trades off them. The only trade I really wanted was this DD band right here. Now what I wanted to expect was the market to come down and bounce right off. So as you can see, that did happen. Right now I did buy in one contract on MES. And as the market played out, I tried just playing around, and at one point I just screw it, let's just go in with two. This is my only trade I want to do. So I just went in with two, and I just wanted to do like a nice couple points. And I also went in with $1 billion account, doing really good. Now the market did shoot up, which was nice. I was up around $70. I still let it keep going a bit. I did find out I was actually muted the whole time. So the whole stream of an hour and 30 minutes was like me just talking to myself because it was muted, which sucked. But anyways, the markets was doing good. This is where I messed up, guys. This is where I messed up. I should have gotten out here. You wanna know why? Because we're at a spot where the markets were very volatile. All right, we have Nvidia. Nvidia shot up in the morning, and it was starting to, slowly come down a bit, creating lower and lower. And I was just, continuing to watch it. And then I'm trying to set my stop. That's what you can see here, right here. I was trying to set my stop, and what I shouldn't have done was actually set a stop. I didn't need to set a stop. I don't know why I set one, but I tried setting a stop for around a lower DD band because I don't want to carry two contracts on a downtrend because very small moves. My risk was only $50. My risk was today only 50 because the stuff wasn't there to tell what was going on, so only did $50 loss. Now it was going up, and this is where I should have got out here. I was like, okay, maybe I should get out. Maybe it's gonna come down a bit, and then it's gonna go. Well, figuring out my stop. Market's coming down. All right, so I gotta quickly wait for the market to shoot up and then get out. But when I'm doing that, this candle closes, and there's a massive showdown. Now what I'm saying here is holy cow. I'm saying here is holy cow, I just lost, wait, where'd that thing go? I'm saying, holy cow, I just, that candle was just crazy, just went right for my stop. This is where I messed up. I should have took my profit and not been greedy. I came in when I bought here, I knew I wasn't expecting big moves, alright? I should have took that, and that stopped me with $17, but that's not it. There was some other trades. I still wanted to take some trades. I'm not going to take one trade in the market. Taking one trade in the market is very low probability to win trades. You want to go into the market with you don't want to go in the market with, oh, I'm just going to do one trade and I'm going to have a 50-50 chance that it's going to go up or down. And that only 50-50 chance is only way I'm going to make money. I'm not going to do 4 trades where I might lose $200. Compared to one trade. If you're gonna take one trade, you know how long it will take you to make one profitable trade. You can have a stop loss size of a 10-to-1. If you did that and only traded one time a day, that would take you basically more than 10 days. If you kept losing every day for 10 days straight, it'd take you 10 days just to maybe make profit. But I'm just doing an example. So I tried doing more trades. So as you can see, okay, the market's kind of in is this the time to, is it the time, is it going to switch now? Is the market going to switch? There's very big bearish candles you can see compared to these little ones here. Remember, in the morning, the market did shoot up around 200 points because of NVIDIA. I did check this morning. There was no NVIDIA news, so I really don't know what happened. ES didn't really do much either. ES is kind of like in the middle of nowhere compared to NQ. But right now I'm down like 1.42 million on my billion-dollar account. So I was like, screw it, I'm just going to get out. Now, I find it very hard to trade liquidity. Not liquidity. I find it very hard to trade volatility because it gets to me like, oh my word, it randomly went up and then shot down super fast. And now look at this wick. Now it's going to come back up, probably. See, like, look, now it's coming back up. See, like, so it's like, you don't know, like, this is what I struggle with, because this is where I lose all the money. Like, it's going to go, which way is it going to go? That's what I'm trying to figure out, which way is it going to go, because the volatility is, like, confusing me. So I'm like, okay, maybe I can get another retest on DD band, but I'm just gonna wait a bit, you know? I'm just gonna wait. Alright. I put on some rock music, you know, get me hyped. And I was like, I was like getting some rock music on. I was like trying to get the hype up and stuff. So, you know, I got the rock music on. You know, I'm like, all right, here we go. This is it. All right, I'm looking at the markets. Rock music's coming in. All right, I'm getting my hopes up. I'm getting excited. And all of a sudden, I literally just quick buy. I quick buy on this. Now, I know what I was doing here. All right, maybe this is excitement, but this actually was when I'm normal. Like, I just realized this now. Like, it did come down for a technical reset. It did hit a DD band. So I was like, all right, screw it. I'm sending it. I'm hitting this long. And then all of a sudden, volatility kicks in. I'm like, all right, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. So I'm down like now 29 bucks. Like, what am I doing? I don't know. This volatility is like messing with me. It's like, and then it starts shooting up. So like, I'm like, man. All right, so I'm down like 30 bucks. Okay, whatever. It's only 30. I still got like 20. So now I'm trying to see if I can get on this actual retest. Because like, I didn't think that was a really good retest. I thought that was like more of a chase. But I'm like, okay, do I wait? And then there's this massive red candle. Like, the volatility is just like crazy amounts of volatility. It's crazy stuff. So I'm still looking around. You can see the wicks. Like, look at these nasty wicks. Like, this is some crazy stuff. Like, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. So it's like, it doesn't want to sell. So like, okay, this looks like a bullish market. This looks very bullish. So I'm like, I'm still looking at NVIDIA. I'm still keeping an eye on NVIDIA. You can see NVIDIA's like, all right, it looks like it's in a down. It's trying to fill this gap, okay? So you can see it's like slowing down around here. Now, I take one more trade. And it's around the end I take it. So now I'm seeing, okay, there's a reversal. There's a reversal. Now, I still have no clue what the res and DD res is. So I can't tell if this is going to be a pivot or it's going to break through it. Because when res is negative for DD band, you usually short it. You usually wait for it to come and you short it. Like right here, you see the wick touching it, you would short it. But if it was positive, you wouldn't short DD band. So I'm like, okay, I want to see if I can get in the short. So right around here, I see it come up. And I'm like, okay, I want to take a short. But before I think, immediately this massive red candle just shoots down with volatility. So I'm like, oh, I think I just missed it. So now my goal is I want to take a short, but I don't want to chase this short. So I see the market starting to come up. I'm trying to see if NVIDIA is going to go down a bit more. I'm probably yapping about how much range I have left. I don't know why the camera quality on this is so low. This is diabolical. But anyways, let's okay, well, the camera quality is like literally cheeks, bro. I'm literally looking at the recording and it just looks cheeks. The internet's like bugging. Anyways, I'm trying to figure out, okay, I want to get in this short, but I don't want to chase. I don't want to get on like a really low and then it comes up. So I'm like, I'm trying to analyze them, trying to see what's going on. I'm trying to, like, you know, that's what I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn on just like, okay, what do I see in the market here? What do I see in the market? All right, I'm seeing where can I get my entry? My entry from here, which I wanted, was on DD on DD. This is a trade if res is negative. I want to take this trade. Okay, I didn't really think, okay, so there's a lot of times when the market comes with a DD band, it usually shoots up. I didn't think of this. So I'm like, okay, around here, I'm like, screw it, I'm gonna take a short here. And if the market comes up, around here, I'll just buy a DD band, but resilience just shoots up. I mean, the market just shoot up. So I'm down. I'm negative 2 contracts. I'm like, okay, yo, what's going on here? I'm down. I'm down 40. I'm down 40. Like, I'm trying to think, what do I do from here? You see, I'm like thinking, what do I do? Now, what I was thinking here was like, okay, do I get out? Will this be like where the market just shoots up all of a sudden? I don't want to be in that. I don't want to be down like $200 because the market shoots up. Like, the volatility is nasty. I didn't think of the resistance here. Okay, the resistance I thought was around here. Okay. The markets might slow down here. So I'm still looking. And it's getting scary. It's getting scary. I sized down because it's still like looks very strong. As you can see from there, very strong movement. Now I sized down. I'm like, okay, do I size down again? This is where I messed up, okay? This is where I messed up. This whole thing I'm trying to tell you guys is you need to have good risk management, all right? Good risk management. Trade here, I took. Horrible risk management. I should have got out here. I knew the market wasn't going to come up. Right here. I wanted the market to come down. The market looks like it was going to come down. Kind of. You can see strong bearish, strong bullish. It filled this gap right here. So the market could go anywhere. But I wanted to place my bet that the market was going to come down. But what's scaring me is the volatility. I do not trade good. You guys can, I can tell you for a fact, I do not trade good in type of markets like this. This is markets where I struggle with because I don't know what to do. Like, I don't have like $200 spreads, you know, like I only want to risk 50, and $50 in a volatility market is like, literally, it's like nothing. So this is the day I kind of like messed up. Okay. I think I was wrong from like the right place. I'll say that I was wrong from the right place. And I'm glad I was wrong small instead of being wrong like huge. Like I said, okay, what I want to do today is I want to only trade, and I want to have my max stop is 50. All right, because I'm trying to pass my eval account. I just came the 25K right here. This is taking me like 2 months to get out from the negatives because how bad of risk management I was, how bad I would take trades. And now I'm like, okay, I'm finally in the green. This is my chance. Small trades only. Because why would I want to do, okay, I'm trying to think. I have $200, $270 of margin until I'm in the negatives, right? So instead of doing 2 trades where I risk 100 to make 200, I do 4 trades, $50 each, and I can make 400. Right? You see the difference? I can take 4 trades that are smaller compared to 2 big trades, which the more trades you do, the more like higher chance you have. All right, something like that. So it's like, okay, I need to plan around this. I'm already down $50, but I don't want to end the day negative. But I don't want to make myself more negative. I'm still in the same mood where like, okay, I'm not upset. I'm down $50, but let's see what else I can do here. So I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna get out of this. Like, I don't know. Like this is sketchy. So it comes up a bit more. You can see like I would have been down probably around $100 if I closed out, because I probably would have, because like that's just me. And then you see, oh wait, look at that wick. Look at that wick. I'm like, I literally just missed it here. I'm starting to think like, why didn't I look at ES? Why didn't I look like more? Like, what's going on? Like around here, come down, shoot up, come down, shoot up, come down, shoot up. Come up, shoot down, come up, shoot down, come up, shoot down. All right, there's like some sort of like flow trend. All right, so around here, I end the day because like, all right, I probably missed out. I don't want to take any more trades. I don't want to lose any more money. So I'm like, all right, guys for watching all this crap, yada yada yada, yada yada yada. And this right here was the actual end of the day. All right, you can see this is when I stopped. This I got out here. Here, this is where I got out. This happened. This is what I wanted to happen. I wanted this to happen. Also, in the stream, I know I was muted, but I would keep saying, I want to buy right here on this yellow line. It did. All right, but this stuff, this happens. This happens. Nvidia, look at that. Look at that. This was a shot up to the morning. This is what shot up NQ. Now it's filled. It's gonna come down and try to fill this. It's trying to fill this huge gap here. Right there, it's trying to fill this huge gap. This would have been a nice trade to actually take right here. Whoop, boom. But anyways, now what can I learn from this? Right now, I think what I need to do is that I need to like just hold it. I just need to find like know when to actually stop, because I feel like I got out at the wrong times. I got at the right places, but at the wrong times, and I think that is what messed me up. I feel like that is what messed me up. But yeah, count is still positive though. That's what I'm glad of. I'm glad. But let's hope tomorrow will be a better day. After the CME went down for Rocket Scooter, Matt says it's been bugging recently, but right now it is fixed. But let's just carry like the same mood to the next day. Like I'm still like, okay, I still want to be a bull. I'm not used to trading short. I'm not used to shorting the market because I've been trying to be a bull for the past like 3 months, because that's like my only like thing. I only want to be a bull. Only want to be a bull. I'm not used to like, oh, the market's reversing on me. It's going up when I should be going up with it. I'm actually shorting it. But yeah, I think what I need to learn from here is risk management. The risk management was horrible. It was actually really bad. I didn't know where I was gonna stop. I didn't know where I was gonna do. I didn't see the market and how it did. This is something you guys need to learn a lot. Risk management. My emotions were like not like super upset, but when I see I'm losing, I'm like, my heart kind of like sinks in my chest a little bit. So I'm trying to think, where do I go from here? But anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching so much, and I will guys come over and check my live streams. Now you can see me live trading. This time I will not be muted. I will make sure I'm not muted. Also, I will have a vertical stream at the same time as a horizontal, so if you guys like see me on shorts, come by and say hello. But yeah,